straight away with the spiders. At least it's a nice day for it. Oh, what a man shed. Check the door first. This is for the viewers. That's what she said. I love the wall, the ceiling. Always got to look inside these because I know someone that stores money in these. You never know.
Stores money in the obvious.
Yeah.
Someone just says he's got to check these every time because you know some people store money in them.
Not because we would take it, because we would report it to the authorities.
And then if no one claims it 6 months, then we take it.
There's a Facebook group for that. There is legit a light one upstairs.
Works. It actually works. See what it's. Come on.
Ooh.
There we go.
That's useful. Is it? Holy shit. Subtle. See, this is why people shouldn't explore. They're going to do shit like this.
I know. This is right because I wondered because I could hear the road really like loud, and I was like, why is it really loud? And
we just tried 2 places. They were sealed, so we left. None of this shit. This is just vandalism, especially when this house that is for sale. Like
this, yeah, especially with sale. There's literally so many. This is a separate upstairs because this looks a bit like the thatched place I did, and that had 2 halves where they'd obviously used it for like accommodation for people.
Who knows? Bloody hell! Has a really low hanging lampshade. I don't know if you can see that, but like this is so low. Look. Who has a lampshade this low? Seriously. See, this is how close to a main road we are. Don't tell anyone.
I wouldn't like to live here.
You would or you wouldn't?
No, I wouldn't.
To be fair, we can't really hear a lot of road noise. If you shut that, what the fuck is that? Oh, dude. Move that.
Why?
Just move it.
Why? No, what was under there?
It's the Urbex's toolkit apparently this day and age.
Oh, bloody hell.
Nothing to do with us, don't touch them.
Yeah, that has nothing to do with us guys, so please don't think it is. What the fuck?
Why were they covered up like that? That was very strange. The fact that they were hidden in here.
Oh, yeah,
And this wallpaper did not fall here.
that's unless networks people would come back again. Maybe they left it for.
What is that? Look at that. The many years of decorating, look.
Yeah, there's literally like
Got
layers.
green, bit of pink. I'm going to go in here just to show the view out that window.
I still think this room has been worked on by metal workers.
In here?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
So look at the floorboards up to the pipes left.
Oh yeah, look at this view. Just look at that view. I would not mind waking up to that.
Nice view, isn't it? Especially at sunset.
Definitely. Yeah, it's almost sunset now, look. Join us. Oh. Some more vandalism.
So weird. It's so weird to see that come
Oh, that is a nice room. Oh, look at this.
Nice, the wood panels definitely really.
Appreciate the light being on.
So check this out. This is.
Wow,
What do you reckon?
this is lovely.
Dining room.
Don't know, it's fancy though. Don't know, this could have just been like the front door look. Front door look, somewhere to put all your shit when you come in. Shoe cupboards.
Is that the front door's out there? Though?
Back door. These outside.
See, I said this was more of a dining room, whereas the other one's more of a lounge because it's got fireplace in it.
Loving this ceiling though, that's beautiful. Wow. I love all the woods on the show. Obviously the house isn't there, look we've got casserole dish.
Someone just smashed the window in with the fucking reef block as well.
We're the ones with a bad reputation. Go figure.
Yeah, well, apparently I nicked stuff and set up eBay.
A few things on the outside to have a look at. An outhouse. Yeah. About to say we've lost Nathan, but there he is.
Just nosing around. Mainly.
Decent shed.
They've even got soft close on these as well. I'm just fascinated by the
Somebody-
soft close drawers.
It's a bit fancy. Some candles, just in case.
Look how cool this is. Watch.
Oh, that's satisfying, isn't it?
Closes by itself.
Safe shot of the business card because I've hidden the name and the phone number.
It does say that they sold eggs and they old chicks and things here, so I'm assuming this is like a chicken farm, which is pretty cute.
I like this cabinet, there's some cool stuff in there.
Does it have soft close? When you get your shot.
That wax spray looks
You know,
nice.
sometimes you walk in place, you just get like, oof, chill down the back end.
Every time.
Every time.
It's normally when there's a chair or that looks like someone's been sat there, keep him warm. Hopefully we didn't scare him off and he's not around.
Quite a lot in here though.
Who isn't there?
I love you, dickhead.
Heads up. Ah, beautiful, look at that. That's beautiful.
Don't say it back, Dan, will you?
Sorry, but I just don't feel the same. Big old engine cover. Confirmed we found a room.
Yeah, in the room. It's an exercise room as well.
Excuse me, or does this look like a lift up hatch in the floor?
What did it say?
Oh, creepy chairs.
Lift up hatch.
Does a bit, doesn't it? Secret basement full of dead bodies.
Just same game on the floor. Is that a running machine? Good thought, then.
Yes, Trevor. Yeah, I mean, if you were into thieving
I
from
should sell that on
bandos,
eBay instead. I could have that instead, save myself some cash. But I'll
yeah,
sell
chuck it
that
on eBay. Toaster? There's a toaster.
There's a bird, there's a bird right by the
Where? Where?
right there. We just literally
Oh,
flew
yeah.
above our heads.
What is that? Little starling?
Is that Starling?
I think so.
That is so cute.
Oh, let's get a bit of zoom for the ornithologists out there.
I'm wearing shorts, as per usual. There's nowhere I'm going. I know what's fitting those. I doubt there's very much in there where it's sitting anyway. No, just some old top-light chicken. Watch out for the river.
Huh?
Watch out for the river.
River?
Platypus.
Oh, nice. Is that what the fuck? It was a lake or something. Look how overgrown these chicken coops are. That is ridiculous. This would have been full of chickens. It's a bloody greenhouse now. Look at the door. Mental. Man, that sunset is just beautiful tonight. Yeah. Apparently there's a large river of piss around here somewhere. Oh, back at the front. Oh, we missed one. Missed the first shed we saw. Anything there? What's in the freezer?